up guys, this is Tim Tens here, and today I will show you my first drone that I bought. It's actually a kind of cheap drone, but I wanted to learn to fly a drone, so I don't want to spend a lot of money yet, because yeah, I need to have some experience first before buying a real expensive drone. It's called the R'Bird Blackmaster DMS240. Actually, I bought it second hand, but you can buy it new in Fnac, in Vandenborre, probably some other stores as well. Mostly it's in a package together with a GoPro, first or second version of GoPro Hero. Normally if you buy the GoPro separate, it's 150 euros. I paid 65 second hand, of course. So I will show you guys now my first attempt to fly the drone, which was pretty successful. Okay guys, now I will show you the second attempt with my drone, and this time it's with my GoPro mounted to the camera, to the drone. And the reason that I bought the drone was actually because I can mount a GoPro, and my GoPro makes pretty good footage. So I will show you guys now the footage that I made the first time when I mounted my GoPro on the R'Bird. So let's have a look. So what you see right here is the first time ever I fly this drone with a GoPro mounted. I didn't want to go too much in the air because on one of my first flights that I had without the GoPro, I already saw that the drone was kind of drifting away with the wind. So I was like, okay, I need to be careful because I can afford to lose the drone, but I don't want to lose my GoPro. So I was kind of careful. So you can see here that the drone is already kind of drifting away with the wind. When I'm flying here, I'm about, let's say 10 meters high, and you can see immediately when I take off, the drone starts to drift away towards the trees, and yeah, the drone got stuck in the trees. After I got the GoPro and the drone back, I was more careful and I went to another place to fly the drone. I start flying with the drone, and after not even 1 minute in the sky, the drone crashed in a tree. The motor got burned. But yesterday I fixed the motor, and I saw that there was a second motor broken. So I fixed the second motor because I had replacement parts, luckily. And I will show you guys now how the drone is reacting after replacing the motor. So first off, I will show you guys something so you can see it. There's no battery inside, it's completely empty. And I don't know if you can see it, but the drone is turned off, the switch is off. Okay, so let me show you. If I attach the battery now, the battery is fully charged. If I attach the battery now, I must be very careful because you will see. If I attach the battery, the GoPro is off. I just make connection with the drone with the battery. The rotor is already spinning, and is spinning on really full speed. Okay guys, now my final thoughts on the R'Bird Blackmaster DMS240. This drone is absolutely not made for cinematic shots. I mean, the footage is very shaky, so it's not usable in any kind of videos. If you want to release quality at least. So I can advise this drone only to people who want to start playing around with drones and not want to spend too much money. But if you're planning to make videos with it, don't buy it at all. I mean, you pay 150, it's better to save some more money and buy a DJI drone, even if it's second hand or an older version, it's still better than this one. And even if you want to play around with it, be very careful because this drone is very light. It's very light and it will fly away with the wind like in no time. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this small review. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that, and stay tuned.